Hello everyone. Today let's check some most useful SketchUp plugins and extensions. First let's see how to install plugins. There are .rb and .rbz plugins format. For the .rb plugins, you need to copy the plugins containing its file to and for the .rbz plugins, you can install through SketchUp. Click on Windows, come down to Extension Manager. Click on Install Extension. And select the .rbz plugin format. Number 1. Tools on Surface. When it comes to SketchUp, it's not possible to draw on curved surfaces. But this tool enables us to draw geometric shapes on curved surfaces. It contains circle, polygon, ellipse, parallelogram, and pie shapes. It creates actual geometry which can be removed. You can also use the erase tool to remove shapes on the surface. And also offset tool which can be powerful with scale tool. Number 2. Joint Push-Pull. By the SketchUp default Push-Pull tool, you can only extrude single flat surfaces. but this tool enables you to extrude multiple and curved surfaces. This includes like normal push-pull with multiple surface. And allows you to extrude individual geometry of curved surfaces. Joint push-pull allowing to push and pull curved surfaces. Round push-pull allows you to push and pull with round edges. Vector push-pull, you can push-pull on set direction. Number 3. Multiple offset. This tool contains functionality to do different things. You can offset multiple faces at once. Next, you can do multiple offset at once. It gives you 3 options for offsetting: constant, formula and list. Number 4. Curviloft. This tool allows you to extrude between 2 different profiles. Curviloft gives you to do 3 basic operations. Loft by SP line. Loft along a path. and skin contour. Number 5. Memory copy. This tool is very easy but very effective. It stores the modification you make and allows to repeat. Right-click on the component, and select Play it again, and click on the Copy component. It works better with components. It can work with rotation and scale. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and share.